Hello there everyone, this is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares. So, how are you all today? If you're in the UK, you'll know what I mean when you say it's cold. It's cold and it's raining, it's been like that. We need some better weather, don't we? Yes, we do. So, I thought I'd come on here and do a little crochet chat and catch up. But what I was really excited to show you was this bag. I found this bag, a wool warehouse order. Now, when we were packing up to move, things did get put in boxes. Yes, they were labelled, but then there was the odd item got put in to just buffer it up a bit, to protect it. And of course, a wool order, what better could you use for a bit of protection? And so that was where that was put in a box and we found it. So here we go. Shall we have a look? Because it's so long ago, because it's just been, something's been packed for ages. So I know some of the things I ordered for a reason. And some of the things I'm thinking, what did I order that for? Well, we'll start off with this one. I know for a fact I ordered this Hayfield bonus super chunky to make a cow. Do you remember I made those cows? And it's basically one ball. You can make a cow. I don't like them too tight. Don't like much around my neck. I like it loose, so that's perfect. You get 100 grams in here. It's machine washable. It's a long-standing brand of yarn, and that one, if you want to know, is Silver Mist. Lovely. It makes a lovely cow. Pop it on that table because I just cleaned that, so I know it's all clean. And that's the same make, the Hayfield, and that colour is teal. I wouldn't exactly call that teal myself, but it's maybe looking a bit more like teal on camera, but in reality I wouldn't say that was what I would call teal. I'd be looking for a little bit lighter colour, but then again that will be for a cow, and I will do them either for myself or somebody else come the colder weather, but well, the way it's going, I'll be making one tomorrow. No, I'm joking. Hopefully it'll get better. And I bought this, and this keeps winking at me. It's been sitting on the couch over there, and I've been looking at it. It is Wonder Soft Merry-Go-Round double knit. Isn't that gorgeous, that colourway? I absolutely adore that. And I think when I ordered it, I was thinking maybe put in the middle of a blanket, but I don't know. It's a style craft, so I know it's going to be good. It's 100 grams. Don't know. I just quite fancy doing something with that. It's winking at me. Wink, wink, wink. And then, of course, why wouldn't I order some of this Drops Paris cotton? I absolutely adore this yarn. So I've got two here. Now these are names. These are numbers. This is colour 31. Without going on the Wool Warehouse, I'm not sure what colour. They give it a colour, but it's actually a lilac colour. It's lovely. And then I ordered the light as well. Now that colour number is 05. These are 50 grams balls. They're 100% cotton, and I can guarantee they work up beautifully and they wash well. They're Aran weight yarn. So just bring these back. You can see they're going to go nice together. So that's those. And then I know I ordered these. They keep saying they're going to discontinue this colourway, but it keeps being there. So what number is that? And I can't guarantee you'll get it. It is colour 61. It's like a lime green, but they keep saying they're going to discontinue. I'm not sure if you can still get that one, so don't hold out too much for that one. Then I know for a fact why I ordered this James T. Brett Baby Marble, because I want to make it a star blanket. This is a gorgeous yarn. You get it in various colourways. It works up lovely. I made my granddaughter a blanket out of this. It's so soft when it's made up. It's a double knit James C. Brett baby marble acrylic, as are those other yarns. I can't do wool in a high percentage. You only need like a little percentage of wool because of my eczema. It just doesn't agree with me. So these come from West Yorkshire, and James C. Brett, I do favour James C. Brett as a wool company. So I've got 3 of them, which are as per pattern for their, I think it's a 12-point star they do a pattern for. Let me just pop them at the back there. Don't want them rolling off. Don't want the dog, who's right here. You can't see her getting them. And then, good old favourite for me, King Cole Curiosity. You can't beat this yarn. You really can't. So it's 150 grams. And it is, again, as I say, acrylic. You can pop this in the machine. It says you can put it in the tumble dryer. I don't tend to put things I've crocheted in the tumble dryer. I will hand wash or pop them in the machine, pop them on the line if the weather allows. This is actually called Ocean. You can see that, why they've called that Ocean. I do like yarn with a name. And let me see what else I can tell you about it. It is, I haven't got my reading glasses on. Don't quote me. I can put it in the description box below. I think it says 480 metres. But I haven't got the reading glasses on. They're over there. 5 to 4 yards. I'll put that in the description box below. Yeah, so a double knit yarn that I've used this yarn for so many things. Shawls, butterfly prayer shawls, virus shawls, you name it, shawls. I've used this to make shawls. I just love the way it comes up, and it's always fun, isn't it, when you're working with self-striping yarn or variegated yarn as it changes colour. So that's that. Now pop that there. They all come in these bags if you so wish. You don't have to. You can say you don't want the bags, but quite frankly, you can reuse them for your projects. I have actually got the invoice here. Would you believe it? I won't even... Let me see if they've got the colour. Oh, yeah, that was lilac, the drops. And then medium. So, there we go. I was right. The 05. Let me just put them there so you can see them as I'm talking to you. The 05 lilac and the other one's medium purple. Well, you can see that really, can't you? That's quite right. And the other one was lime from the drops, like I told you. So yes, I am happy finding that order. I really, really am. I mean, it was a bonus for me. I knew it was somewhere, and I treated myself to it long before we moved. There must be a date on here somewhere. Yes, there is a date. The 7th of February. That was a month before we actually moved. And that's the first time I've been able to see it. So that's got my old address and everything on. So, yes, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. I have done another video, and I did mention if people would like me to show that. But I've done the video anyway, and we'll pop it on the channel, and yeah, people want to look at it. Of course, it's there for them to look at. And I will see you all soon. This is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares. Happy crocheting, everyone. Bye for now.